carbon dioxide and would have to expel oxygen. But if it keeps out carbon dioxide, but it lets in oxygen, we would say this cell probably uses cellular respiration. That's what they mean by the study of cell membranes leads to a better understanding of how the cell functions. I'll give you guys all the points. It's a little bit unclear. It's quite a bit to explain. All right, next one. All right, so here's the next one. We got Emma, Zariah, Callie. I don't know how to mess your name up. Oh, we got Michael on the board, Lily, and Ryan. I always keep forgetting Ryan's name. Ava and Jaden. All right, Ryan and Michael. All right, Jaden and Ava.
Wait, what?
I chose wrong.
Oh. I'll go retros.
She chose paper.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right.
So
Let's
not
see.
so hot.
Lily and Zariah.
Like deal with
All right, Emma and Callie. All right, so Callie won, and who else was it? You, Jaden, did you win? So Callie and Jaden. I mean, yeah, Jaden. Who won? Callie and who for you two, Ryan? All right, go. All right, who got it? Micah? Oh, he did. Yeah, him and Ryan went. They went first. Did you go? Who'd you go? Who you against? Oh, so you okay? I'm sorry. So Ryan and Zariah go. Because Ryan was the last one, huh? Callie, you won too?
Oh, no. Yes.
So Zariah won.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. The cell model is shown. The students were instructed to review types of structures to present. In this cell module, which two cells types could represent this one? Okay, so in the picture it's an animal cell, and I'm pretty sure leaf and root cells are in plant cells. So and muscle cells and white blood cells are in living things. So, bro.
All right, Callie, want to add something to it?
I knew that it wasn't a living cell or a root cell because that would mean that it's living and it doesn't have a cell wall like holding its shape.
Very good.
So I knew that went to be its muscle and white blood cells.
And what did you want to add, Lily?
So I knew it was mechanical, so I knew it wasn't the first two because it didn't have like the regular shape it had.
Not being wrong.
So, and I also saw that like it didn't really have like a chloroplast up there. So I already knew it was muscle cell and then white blood cell.
And what you want to add something?
For somebody else. For somebody else. Because he asked me. Let me get his name. I want to check.
Very good, very good. All right. Let me see. Next one. What do you got? We got Callie. We have Ryan, Emma, Isaiah, Jamie. All right, so Ryan. All right, I got you, Callie. All right, so Ryan and Isaiah, go. Rock, paper, scissors, go.
I'm so glad.
All right, who won that one? All right, who else do we have?
I'll win.
All right, Ryan and Ryan and Callie. Good luck. All right, did you get your hand up? Both of you guys had your hand up, right?
Wait.
All right, so it's Emma and Jamie. All right, so Ryan and Jamie. Yes, all right, what you got?
Alright, so if a mitochondrial cell stopped, if the cell's mitochondria stopped working, the cell's level of ATP would decrease because there's no mitochondria.
All right, you want to add something?
Mitochondria requires
Very good, very good. All right, Callie, what you got?
This is kind of just what you said, but since I know that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, the cells like energy because they weren't getting information.
Very good, yeah. If it was malfunction, he couldn't do his job. Very good, very good, very good. All right, so we got Zariah, Lily, Callie, Jamie, Carly, Isaiah, Emma, Ryan, Ava.
I know this was from the top of my
All
heart.
right, so put your hands down. I'm gonna point to you and I give you the opponent. All right, Ryan and Zariah.
I'm gonna answer this one.
All right, you had your hand up.
Yeah.
Pick your opponent.
Who had their hand up?
Raise your hand, ladies and gents. All right, pick your opponent. Not you two just went.
Anybody, just anybody.
Pick somebody.
Yes.
All right, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, Carly, pick your opponent. All right, Ava's back up.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes.
All right, Carly,
Two looking at me.
Callie, and Jamie.
Imagine losing to Ava.
Shut up. If you will, then.
Did you win, Ryan? You won. All right, so Ryan and Emma. All right, so Emma and you won, right? So Emma and Carly.
I wish I would have won.
So what's going on?
I'm gonna add to it as soon as I add.
All right, Carly and who between you two? Carly and Callie. All right, anybody left? Carly and Lily. All right. Pick up El Telefono.
The plant cell which organelles collaborate to maintain the cell's shape and silhouette, vacuole and so on. I knew it was like the tie between A and B, because I saw that it had a color class and so on. Then I read the question that said maintain shapes to show the cell's shape and silhouette. And then I chose A because the vacuoles help store like some stuff in the cell, like store water and other stuff in the cell. And then I saw cell wall. And then I read the plant cell. Then I read the first sentence and said in a plant cell, so then I knew it was cell wall. The cell wall helps maintain the shape.
So I definitely like what do you call that? I definitely like the test taking strategy of looking at the question again. Callie, what you got?
I know that the vacuum store water, and I know that the cell wall is the only thing that can really hold a plant cell's shape as a time limit.
All right, I like it. Isaiah?
I chose A because immediately when I saw store water.